Okay, this is a quick video on something I discovered. It took me 6 months or so. No one teaches you these things, and sometimes the tutorials on YouTube don't help. And sometimes when you're looking online for support, it doesn't help with all the facts and all this. So basically looking for a search function for all these fields, okay? And some call it query, some call it search. The program I used was FileMaker Pro way back in the day, and it was really, you could set up it easily. This was more complex. I'm using LibreOffice base. So I'm looking all over. In the beginning, used a combination of the database and Excel and kind of figured it out from there in terms of how to do search or queries. Anyway, they used the term query for something different in LibreOffice. And this, I guess, is more of a search or filter function. So I'm looking all over the place. How do I find, if I want to find X amount of people in these fields, what do I do? Well, so let's do a test. So come down here to the bottom. It says form-based filters. So there it goes. It opens it up for a search mechanism. So I'm going to put a name Joe S. Okay, and I'm going to search for this guy. And right here on this little corner, it's not really obvious, it's really subtle. And apply base function, boom. And there's 3 records, okay? Now you can do a multiple search. Apply the filter. And we can change it Joe S in this case. And I'm going to put meaning type short, okay? So you can search for 2 items. And it brings up 2 records. Okay, so that's what took me so long to find. It's these little things on the bottom, form-based filter. So you can search anything by way of the form. That's it.